This is going to be part 2 of the video where we do the day of the week calculator. So we're taking in the year, month, and day, and then calculating what day of the week it was anytime AD. So let's recap real quick. Here we get the date from the user. We have the century code. We have the year code. So the next thing we need to calculate is the month code. And we need to take in the month to do that. And we'll say month code down there. So the first thing we need to do is set the month code equal to some number. We'll just say 0. And then at the end, we'll return month code. And I need to tell the computer that the month code is an integer. In between these two, we'll have statements. We'll have a whole lot of if statements. So the month code stays at 0 during the months of April and July. Don't really need to put this part in, but we will anyways. So if month is equal to 4 for April, or month is equal to 7 for July, we will leave month code equal to 0. Then the month code will be 1 during the month of October. So if the month is equal to 10 for the month of October, we'll say month code is equal to 1. If the month is 5 for May, then we'll say the month code is equal to 2. And then the month code would be 3 in August, so if month code equals 8 for August, if month equals 8 for August, the month code would change to 3. Yeah, it'll change to 3. Then the months it's for is February, March, and November. So if it's the second month, if it's the third month, or if it's November is the 11th month, we would change that to 4. It'll equal 5. The month code will be 5 in the month of June. So June is the 6th month. So that would change to 5 there. And it will be 6 in December and September. So if month equals September, which is 9, or December, which is 12, month code would change to 6. So let's see here. We have months 4, 7, 2, 3, 11. Looks like we're missing January. So month equals, let's see, January should return 1. Oh, this should be, alright, this should have 2 things in it. So if month equals January, or month equals October. So let's see, how many months do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, I'm going to assume those are all right. If they are wrong, I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments below, and I would actually greatly appreciate that. So the next thing we need to do is get the day of the week. Actually, sorry, the day of the week isn't really code, it's just how, like if they put 12, we just use 12 for that. So let's see. We'll say public void calculate day. And we won't take it in anything for that. Actually, we will take in int month, int day, and int year. So the first thing we're going to need to do once we have all that is calculate the century code, or calculate the year code, which the year code method will call the century code method. So year code, so int year code equals year code, and send in the year for that. We need the month code equals month code, and we'll send in the month for that. Then we'll have a few if statements, and we'll do the calculation here. So int day of week will be set to the month code plus year code plus day, all modulus 7. Alright, so if day of week is equal to 0, we're going to print out Saturday. I don't want to bore you with all these if statements I'm going to be writing here, so we're going to just pause the video for a second. Alright, so we just now finished doing all the if statements for the day of the week. So everything should be working. Just need to put it all together real quick, and we'll put a comment right there to say calculate day. Oh, notice we haven't really started anything here. So day of week calculator Joey equals new day of week, day of the week calculator. I need to have the word the over there with a capital T. Let's see. I'll need to call, let's see. We'll go with Joey.getDate. And at the end of this method, it will need to call the method right here. So calculate day, it'll need to send in the month, day, and year. So I think we're ready to test this. Shift F6 to run, and my computer is being slow right now. Alright, so I'll enter today's date, which I'm writing this on May 12th, so 5/12/2015. Should get Tuesday. It appears there is a problem with the formula. Let me pause it for a second and go find that. Okay, I found there. It was a fairly careless one. Instead of month code down here, all I used to calculate it was not what I meant to hit. Instead of month code down here, all I used was month, so it should have been month code. So hopefully this will work. So the month, day, and year would be, month is 5, 12 for the day, and 2015. Alright, Tuesday is what we were wanting. This seems to be working well, so I'll leave this video here. But in part 3, we're actually going to fix one little caveat that the formula has, and it will not work on leap years during the months of January or February. So we'll be writing a method to check if it's that condition or not, and it will adjust the day of the week. Thanks for watching.